Back to K Squared Outdoors. In today's video, we're going to be making a food plot for deer, and I've already cut like a lot of it. I've already cut all of it. It's only like a quarter of an acre, but we rented a little tiller to till the whole thing up, and then we're gonna seed it and drag it and everything. So hopefully it works out really good. But I'm just gonna do some videoing. I'm actually in the tree stand right now of us working, and then we'll do an update in like every week or so. It's gonna be winter wheat, so hopefully you guys enjoy, and let's get back to it. We're just finishing up. I don't know if you guys can hear me that well or not, but we're just finishing up. We've already tilled, well, he has all this already. It took a little bit, but we just got like one more strip right here, and then we're done. Alright, so it's been a little bit, but we were gonna do this just whenever it looked like it was about to rain, seed it, but the weather changed and it's supposed to rain here in just a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and seed it. And I'm sure there'll be people in the comments telling me all these different ways to do it and stuff, but we just decided to do this today, and we didn't have a whole bunch of equipment, so we just are going with what we have. And also, it might look like some grass is still here, but it's actually turned up. It just hasn't died yet. So we're going to get to seeding, and then after that, we're going to drag it with this homemade drag. And so hopefully it turns out good. Okay, so we just got done seeding it and everything. So hopefully, because we're dragging it right now, it's supposed to rain tonight from like 8 all the way till like 7 in the morning. So hopefully this thing just gets a lot of rain, and within probably a week or so we'll do an update, and hopefully it's looking good. I mean, it should. And a lot of the seed is just gonna get pounded into the ground by the rain. So if the drag doesn't like cover it up really, it'll get covered up probably by the rain, just pounding it down into the dirt. But it should cover it. It's doing pretty good. And this is only a pretty small food plot, so the deer are already coming up this trail and out a little trail right there. and coming out and crossing this field anyway. So this is just to like keep them here, and also to like congregate them and force them here, so they're not just walking all out in there and everything. They'll come to right here so you can get a good shot, because to the end of the food plot out there I think is like 35 yards maybe, so should be good. And my deer I shot this year was only right about there. It was about right there. So that's probably like almost 30 yards. Because the deer I shot was, because that trail, before we drug this, came all the way up in here. The deer was probably like right in there. Only at like 20 yards.